This brand is made in China for sale on Amazon and offers two sizes of units, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The EP24-618US_AR model has a 8000 BTU cooling capacity with a 3-speed fan, while the ES10-113US_WHAR 9000 BTU model only has 2 fan speeds. They have manually operated louvers which do not do as good of a job of circulating the air throughout the room as brands that have oscillating louvers. They only have a standard washable filter which does not do much to clean the air. These air conditioners use environmentally friendlier 32 refrigerant but only use an exhaust hose, which means conditioned air is constantly being removed from the room and having to be replaced by outside air, which is less efficient. The units have electronic controls with a remote but do not have Wi-Fi or voice command control, and the remote control does not sense the room temperature. They do not use condensate evaporation technology, so they require either continuous draining of the condensate or manual dumping of the condensate bucket. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.